Money has its own vibration, and how to get into that vibration is what I wish to talk in this video today. Money, 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 money everywhere. I'm Suresh Menon and welcome to my channel Positivity and Abundance. Before I start, I want you to get into the mood of receiving money. I want you to type below in the comment section right below this video right now, I am ready to receive abundance. Please do so right now, as that actually creates a shift in your subconscious mind. Please type, I am ready to receive abundance. If you are really serious of manifesting a lot of money and abundance into your life. So let's start. Money is a tool that we use, right? I hope you agree to it. With money in our hands as wads of printed paper, it is worth nothing unless and until we use the money to do something for ourselves or others. Obviously, everyone loves money. Money can create the life of your dreams. Money can bring you what you desire. Money can bring in peace and happiness into your life. Money can actually even transform the quality of love. Money is something so very fundamental to our lives. To get into this vibration of money, you have to first understand the fundamental laws of reality. Believe it or not, whatever we are seeing today and experiencing in our everyday lives is perhaps only 1% of what can be your reality. It is just a tiny speck of the possibilities that you can actually create for yourself. You have to get into the mindset of acceptance and understanding that you can create infinite environments of reality at will. Of course, it will need a lot of practice, but you have to accept that. That is the first step. At this point in time, because you are tuned into this tiny speck of reality that you are part of, you are actually missing the infinite possibilities and opportunities that are there to tap into infinite abundance. Money is nothing but a form of energy. It's something like an electromagnetic frequency. Quantum physics, which is nothing but hard science, has proved that everything around us is just energy. In pure layman's terms, think of everything around you as a holographic projection. When this happens, all our senses come into action to touch, feel, and smell it. It is the same with money also. You should understand that money is already there around you. Infinite amounts of money. All the money that you desire and more. All that needs to be done is to tune into this precise frequency and precise energy of money. You have to figure out how to vibrate the frequency of money. So, how do you do it? I have mentioned in another video that all your vibrations and energy emanate from the subconscious mind. You have always been fed with the thought of lack of money. So, in your mind, it is always the thought of needing more money. The more desperate you are for money, in this case, the energy that your subconscious is putting out is to actually repel money. Listen, there are very clearly only two ways you can think. Either you think you have money or you think you don't have money. And there are only two types of energies that can emanate from you. If you are always focusing on lack of money, I got to pay my bills, I need to repay the borrowed money, I need the money to buy a car, and so on. Your mind also emanates the same energies constantly, and you never ever receive money because the subconscious has been programmed by you to always need money, and it happily delivers it to satisfy you, the master. But then when your subconscious mind that brushes with reality faces the hardships every day that you go through, you again send a message to your subconscious that you are struggling and that you are unlucky. The subconscious is always at the service of its master, which is you. It agrees and says, yes, you are struggling, good, and keeps you struggling. I hope you get the idea. On the other hand, think of visualizing it the other way. First step, make the decision firmly in your mind that you are ready to receive money and you are ready to receive abundance. This is a process wherein it will take you a few days or weeks of constant practice, and this is called rewiring your subconscious mind. Let me tell you that it's not easy, but if you are really willing to put in some effort every day, regularly, consistently, you will realize at the end of it that it was mere child's play. The best way to achieve this level is through self-hypnosis meditations. And there are a couple of such meditations on this channel, and I'll be putting up more, and there are plenty on the internet. Next step, after you have rewired your brain, look ahead and visualize a scenario where all your bills are auto-cleared in your bank. You don't have to think about money at all because money simply flows to you. Visualize yourself in what you have done with all your newfound wealth and get deeply into it emotionally with a strong focus. Nothing else should distract you. Visualize yourself living in that dream house. Visualize yourself driving that dream car with the love of your life by your side. Anything. Visualize each of these thoughts at least once a day for 58 seconds each, without any interruption or distraction. Live it, feel it, enjoy it, experience it. The universe now knows that you vibe differently. You are someone who is enjoying all the wealth that you already have. The God in you or the speck of the universe in you simply brings it to reality because that is the specific vibration that you have tuned yourself to. Remember that this is not occult science or magic. This is hard science, and enough scientific proof exists that this is exactly how each and everything in the world manifests. And detailed explanations can be had from quantum physics with proof and examples. It is something that is part of the universe around you. Your energy is around you, the photons around you, the electromagnetic radiations around you. What happens when you start to do that? Once you start to focus on manifesting the money, you are drawing the energy of money towards you, and slowly you begin to vibrate in the same energy. You begin to believe that you have the money. So your subconscious mind also begins attracting exactly that. You become one with money because you genuinely think and believe that you have all that you need. You will notice that your environment begins to change. Your friends begin to change. People who are wealthy and affluent make friends with you. You get opened up to new ideas and opportunities. Your mind begins to generate money-making ideas. And slowly but surely, you become a money magnet. Once you reach that stage, you will realize that making money is simple. Manifesting money can be just like that, instantaneous. Not just money, anything. So, how do you start this now? First, enjoy the present moment. Become happy and contented with what you have now. The bills to be paid? Well, yes, have gratitude for the opportunity for the money to pass through your hands for the bills to be paid. Have gratitude for the fact that you own a device to watch this video on. Have gratitude for the food that you'll be eating in a while from now or already had. Have gratitude for everything that you have and begin to feel happy. The next rule of the thumb is to keep visualizing your future and transpose it to the present. Close your eyes. Take a few deep breaths, relax your body and visualize the dream house that you always wanted to have. And continue to visualize you actually relaxing on the lawns of the very same house now. And feel it in the cells of your body. Perhaps a tingling sensation or a sense of satisfaction that is transposing your thoughts into the present. Visualize your kids playing on the beach while you and your loved ones silently sip a drink and watch them with immense happiness and satisfaction. Shift your vibrations away from the lack that you are experiencing now. Activate the most powerful part of your being, the subconscious. Tell it that this is how you are and watch the magic unfold. Believe me, with constant practice, you will reach a stage when you can manifest anything almost instantaneously. It's that simple. Activate the God in you. Be your own God. That is how the universe has made you. I suppose you will start right away. Just to summarize, number one, enjoy the present moment and have gratitude for all that you have. Number two, rewire your brain. Tell it convincingly in whatever way you feel is good that you are ready to receive money. Number three, start visualizing the scenario of the future and transpose it to the present. Visualize every scenario for a minimum of 58 seconds or a minute. That's it. Trust me that you will tap into the energy of money surprisingly quickly. It will feel tough at first, but with continuous and consistent practice, you can actually begin feeling the shift fairly quickly, which will motivate you to continue the practice until you reach the stage wherein you recognize the energy and frequency and vibration of money and you draw it to you at will, effortlessly, instantaneously. And when you do finally reach there as a money magnet, remember to continue to have gratitude to the universe. Never stack or hoard money, as the money does not belong to you. Use the money for everything that you need and also set apart a small portion at least to give back to the society. That will further accelerate your money flow. Wish you all the very, very best. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to share it with your circles. Feel free to comment below this video and I will try to read and respond to every comment herein. Thank you and meet you soon again in another video. Bye-bye.